Save document. Y/N Y.
I get out WordPerfect.
C colon backslash greater than.
So this program allows me to have access to any program, and it will also allow me to load a new configuration setup if I'm in Lotus or DBase. The command lines are on different lines. An example of that
STAR dash T apostrophe nav is colon 1 equals right 3 equals up 5 equals left 10 7 equals down E N 0 0 now mapping galaxy for battle.
Okay,
Line 4 column 3, okay.
I just hit Alt O twice and it told me where the cursor is. It's on line 4 column 30.
Read window, set window, file to open, framework, enter path for directory.
That just told me I'm loading a file that will change the configuration of the Windows setups that I have, and also all other stuff. And
backslash BASI.
Alright, I just loaded the file for this Star Trek game, which has a different setup for displaying of things on the screen. So when I loaded the file TrekCMD, it changed the configuration of all the windows that I have set up. So if I want to
read window
and press D,
start date 0.0, okay.
it just reads the start date.
Read window
and Q for quadrant.
Q quadrant 7 comma 5, okay.
And these are the kind of things that allows this program to do it, just for screen reading ability.
Q space I T crossword.
Okay, I exited that program, and the last feature that's the most powerful
Directory for C colon
this
backslash
program is that it loads, you can read all the files.
The file is 445 directory. The file command A1 period colon.
I just hit Alt O and then Alt P, and it just loaded all the files on the directory in alphabetical order. You can do any DOS command with this: copying, appending, renaming, everything else that you can do in normal DOS, and you can do this while you're running any program that you have, WordPerfect or anything else. It's a feature that's more powerful than anything else that any other screen reader program would have, and it gives the person the ability to have access to everything in the computer, ideally for computer programmers and stuff. But it has all the features in it, plus in terms of being able to have good aid for those that are visually impaired. And I spent the last couple of years developing and improving it, that it's available for all of those that are disabled, that are visually impaired. The only thing right now that I can't do is read the graphics in some of the newer software, but that is something I'll be working on in the future. But this is a kind of an aid that will benefit and help anybody that has the need to use a word processor or a spreadsheet program or something of that type. And it can be used for anybody that has the ability to use the computer and is able to type. And it gives you everything possible that you could do that any of these type of programs provide for you. And it is something that is available and for anybody that is in need of it. And that's all I have for a demonstration on that in terms of programming and computer work.